So today I'm going to unbox HP DeskJet Plus 4110 printer. So I'm going to show you how to do unboxing and quick setup and how to do a copy test in the end. So take the printer out of the plastic packaging carefully. Also remove the blue tape as you can see here. So these blue tapes, one will go inside to the ink cartridge chamber. So just remove it properly. Now move the printer and take the back side. As you can see, there is a place here where we can insert the power supply cable. So just insert the one end to the back side here and the other end will go to the main supply. And once we do it, switch on the printer. Also we have to take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. So these are the starter ink cartridges. Take them out one by one so that we can use it later on. Now first step is to switch on the printer, so press the power button on, and now we will install the ink cartridges to set up this printer. And before that we also need to load the A4 size sheets. So there is a rear tray. Open the rear tray and adjust the size with the size adjuster. Install the A4 size sheets here. Also open the output tray. Now open the ink cartridge chamber door. Now we have to insert color cartridge at the color side. So push it in, hold the printer with another hand and it will lock itself. Now do it same for the black. Push it in and hold it. Now once it is installed, now we have to close this door, and this printer uses ink cartridge number 67. Now we close it. Now wait for the printer to print a printer alignment page. So this is the printer alignment page, and we need to open the top scanner bed and place it facing downwards like this on the left hand side. Close the lid and press the copy button once. Now it will do the ink cartridge alignment for the best print quality. To do a copy, we can open the top scanner lid and place a page facing downwards this side and click on the copy button, and it will send a command for the printer to do the copy. This printer has a top feeder tray as well, and we can use it for the copy. I'll show you how to do that. So take the page and put it like this so that it can go here, and click on the copy button and wait for the printer to take it and copy it. Top feeder tray is just taking the sheet and then it will start to copy. So that's the way we can use this printer for the initial setup, and we can also do the copy test as you can see here. Thanks for watching.